So can I share some of my favorite games?
Sure.
Okay, great. And we will link to each of these in the show notes.
Mhm.
So one of my favorite games is called Cat Crimes. It is a who's to blame logic game, and it's by Think Fun. You can buy it on Amazon. And there are 40 crimes to solve from beginner to expert.
This is a
And
fun one.
it's so fun.
It's a
And
really fun
so
family game.
it is. And I have to say that I know a lot of kids that really, really enjoy it because it can be at all levels. Because, question number 1 is really easy. Question 40 took Hunter and I 5 days to complete. And so, talk about cognitive patience, right? So not only did we give it our sustained attention for, 20 minutes, 30 minutes at a time, but we had to come back to it day after day and push through.
That's great.
And know I can stay with this.
Yeah.
And it will come, right? And so there's this brain science idea called the incubation effect. We all know it, which is that if you can't figure out a problem, take a walk, get away from it for some time, and allow your subconscious to do the work for you. These opportunities are so rare today to use the incubation effect, right?
It's true. Yeah,
so rare. So Cat Crimes is a great opportunity to use the incubation effect, especially as you get into the harder ones. But basically what it is a number of proof statements to help you figure out where the cats should be sitting in the living room. And you get to figure out who ruined the shoes or ate the bird to solve the crime.
Yep. Yeah.
And there also is dog crimes if you're more of a dog lover.
Oh, I didn't know that. Cool.
Yes, it's the same. It's the same
Makes
idea.
sense.
But the thing that this provides is a Eureka moment, right?
Yeah.
When you finally solve it, the joy, the Eureka of it all is what I'm after.
Yeah.
And that takes cognitive patience, right?
Mm-hmm.
There are some ideas that can only come to us if we have the patience to wait for them. And in this world today,
the Eureka moment,
we need to create them.
That's a really good notice. We don't have space for many of those.
No.
And when we do,
them back.
They feel so good.
I give a couple more.
Of course.
Okay, so this is another one. This is like a great travel game. A friend told me about this. It is called Puzzle IQ. This one's called IQ Fit. They have a couple of different ones, and this is like a 3D piece. But it's basically a spatial version of Cat Crimes. So if Cat Crimes is written word proof statements that you have to use logic to figure out who committed the crime, this is a puzzle opportunity where you're given half of the solution and you need to rotate the pieces in your brain, or actually physically on the board, in order to fill out all the holes. So I love these. I mean, the through line with all of these games, in addition to the opportunity for a Eureka moment, because some of these take me forever, it's that they give you a problem statement and then you have to come up creatively with the solution through a lot of trial and error.
Yeah.
And there are moments of frustration, moments of complete ambiguity, or even how do I get started? And what I have seen in our kids with things like Cat Crimes and Puzzle IQ is they just get started. And that is what we're trying to cultivate here.
Yeah.
Just get started, because you can do this. It's just going to take some time to push through for all of us.
For sure.
And then my littlest one, which has been a huge hit with all 3 of our kids. It's one of these HABA games, which we love HABA here. And this is a HABA construction set, but it's the same idea where they give you a problem set and then ask you to figure out what blocks are used to create this construction set.
Mm-hmm.
So 3 different developmentally appropriate opportunities for cognitive patience.
Yeah.
For a lot of trial and error. And I can guarantee some Eureka moments and a feeling of I can do this in working through them.
Mm-hmm. No hints, no cheat sheet, no prompting AI, just your brain and working through a problem.
Exactly. So those are some of the things that we have found in order to really sustain cognitive patience as a family. But we would love to hear from you if you have any other favorite activities or games that really support cognitive patience in your home.
Yeah, I think this is why people take up golf